Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System and Update, and here you'll notice Backup and Reset. Click to enroll, and now mark Google Backup, and select data that you wish to backup. So just click on Turn On, and mark if it's about both photos and videos along with other device data or just one of those, but I would like to back up everything. Then just mark confirm, and that's it. As you can see, your backup to Google Drive is active. Obviously, if you are not logged in with your account yet, you will have to provide either your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.